trying to get some video of Aztec, who is a young German Shepherd dog. Probably about 3 months. He just got neutered today. And he's here for the first time meeting everybody. He's had 2 shots. He's got huge feet. Huge feet. He's a big boy. He's already got that German Shepherd prance going. Pretty good-natured pup. He's had a big day today, and he's ready to meet everybody and say hello and be the boy. That's not a German Shepherd tail. When did he give you a dirty look and you turned around and came back up here? Huh? Is that what happened? You didn't look up at me? Call him Aztec. He'll be ready to go this Saturday, which is the 21st, 20th or 21st. Today is Wednesday the 17th, 20th. That's a little pair and Michelle.